Thank you for watching the unboxing video for JVC's HA-fx9BT. These are the white ones, but they do come in a variety of other colors, and they do come in a blister pack. So I'm going to use a razor knife here to open them up, but you need to be careful when you're doing that if you decide to use a knife or a razor knife. This is their Gummy wireless brand as well. They've had Gummy in their lineup for a very, very long time, and it's because of the soft silicone ear tips that they use. Here is the USB to micro USB charging cable. Here's the extra set of silicone ear tips. This is the small. The large actually come on the Gummy headphones already. And of course, you see the 3-button controller and microphone. Here's the aforementioned Gummy silicone ear tips in large and small. And of course, they come with instructions and warranty manuals. Thank you very much for watching the JVC FX9BT unboxing.